Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cut open a jackfruit without breaking your knives. So in order to cut open a jackfruit, what you need to do is, first of all, you have to place a newspaper on the table so that it doesn't make your table dirty. Then you need some mustard oil to wipe on your hands, and then you need an 8-inch blade like this one, and a bowl to get the nucleus of the jackfruit. So before I start cutting the jackfruit, I'll have to get the mustard oil all over my hands so that the sticky thing that comes from the jackfruit doesn't stick for a long time on my hands. So now I will first make a cut from this part and then another cut from this side and then another cut from the middle so that I can cut it open easily. Let me start with this side first. Then I will get it from this side. Okay. Now I will make a straight cut right from the middle. And then I shall just open it. Let me show you. See, this is how I open it out. It opens up like a book. So this is how it looks after I open it up in the given instruction that I have told you. So now all you have to do is you have to just pluck the nucleus like this. It's very easy. See? It's very easy. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.